everyone, introducing the top 5 improved and the new features released with WordPress 6.0 on May 24th. First one, the better writing experience with the option to edit multiple blocks of text, shortcuts to access pages and customizable options for button designs. The second one, holistic styling options including multiple style variations even within a single theme like font weight and the color palette. The third one, 5 new template options to choose from block themes including image sizing controls, new layout options and multiple authors filters using query block. The fourth one has the accessible pattern options when creating a header or a footer and for block theme users. The fifth and the last feature is the enhanced design treatments including new border and color transparency options and improved features for group block. In short, the multiple design attributes make WordPress more intuitive for developers as well as the end users. For the latest industry updates, subscribe to HostingSeekers.